Imagine looking at a floor plan on paper, just lines and boxes. Difficult, right? What if you could instantly walk through this plan in 3D, like a mini virtual home? Hi, I'm Dr. Sacha Malik, the CEO of Big Vision. We are an AI product development company that helps other companies build AI solutions. I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming webinar on transforming 2D floor plans into immersive 3D models. In this session, we'll explore how to use AI models to detect walls, doors, and windows from simple 2D images, how those elements are stitched together into a realistic 3D structure, and most importantly, how architects, designers, real estate developers, and even homeowners can leverage this to visualize, plan, and present projects better than ever before. We'll walk you through the entire pipeline, from uploading a flat floor plan image to generating a fully navigable 3D model you can interact with. Would you like to see how to enhance the space with interior decoration and furniture? We got you covered. If you have ever struggled to bridge the gap between technical drawings and real-world imagination, this webinar is for you. The seats are free, but they are limited. Click on the link below and register today.